Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video will be me showing you how I apply my wigs. The hair I'm currently wearing is from LuvMe Hair. It is an 18-inch body wave unit, or it originally was an 18-inch body wave unit from their Undetectable lace range. It came in a 1B, but you know me, I have to do some stuff to it, do some stuff to it, and here we are now. I just added some highlights and added some chunky highlights and lowlights. It's got a dark base and it's lighter on the top, and I cut it to around a 16/14 inch. I uploaded a video on Twitter the other day and everyone seemed to like it, so I just figured, you know what, let me just show you guys how I actually get the wig to look as good as it looks on me. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and like. And yeah guys, thanks for tuning into this video. I used to lay my wigs first and then put my makeup on after, but recently I haven't really been feeling that, so I've done my makeup first. I have a very high hairline, low edges. I look bald, that's for sure. So I'm just gonna clean off like the makeup from my forehead with a wipe. I don't use Ghost Bond or whatever. Shops in London are selling fake versions of Bald Hold, so I wouldn't be surprised if they're selling fake versions of Ghost Bond, and I can't bother to order it online. My got to be, I look fly with it, so hey, I don't need to be wig layer extraordinaire right now. So this is my head. It's a very big one. I literally just, my wig cap, just slap it on. And I don't do the whole cap method because I don't like the thought of having a cap glued to my head and then a wig glued to my head. Like, the cap is the lesser of two evils. So I literally just put on a stocking cap and I cut a slit at the back because I know they can be quite tight, and get some powder on a makeup brush and just go. Just blend the colour. Yeah, that's nice, that's fine. And then here is my wig. This head of mine, it's too big. Very, very big forehead. It's 4 fingers, maybe even 4.5. I deserve that one. Just put the wig on my head. So this is literally me just putting it on, nothing applied to it. It looks very much blended right now. Let me even zoom in this camera. This is really undetectable lace. Like, look, nothing has been glued. Nothing, nada. Like, it just looks so seamless with nothing even being done. So how your melt is, or how great of a melt you have, kinda is dependent on the quality of your lace. So this lace is quite thin, hence why by just laying it on my head, it looks like I've applied adhesive when I haven't. If I keep looking in the viewfinder, I'm sorry, okay? I'm very sorry, it's a bad habit and I can't seem to break it. We'll just fix up some of these baby hairs, they're a bit too long, come like adult hairs. That's a bit tight, so the sleeves are making it a bit difficult to maneuver. Get some pins and just pin all the big hairs back. Pin here. I feel the good body, yeah. Why nobody in a tough like rock? Okay, that's cool. When I stick down my wig, it's like I have the baby hairs out in front, so I don't know what I'm even trying to say, but the baby hairs are separate from the main body of the hair, and I break it up in 3 sections. So it's got to be just across and then there. Really and truly, I should have a blow dryer with me, but I can't be bothered, so just I'm gonna let it dry manually. Yeah. And then the Oh, it's dripping. okay, first layer got to be, I focus on like the, what do you call this bit of your head? Your forehead. I focus on the forehead and crown area first, and then I focus on the ear tabs after, because it doesn't matter how they look. Well, it doesn't matter, but I'd much rather this is like amazingly done. So I do my first layer with the spray, then for extra protection or extra security rather, I go in with the black gel. This is the styling edge one for edges. So then put like a little bit of that on my hand. Probably can't see it. And then mix it with this. And then just mix it until it's like a paste. A bit of that. I prefer mixing the gel and the spray together because I feel like the gel gives you a softer hold. The spray can get a bit hard, but with the gel, it doesn't get hard as quickly. Or it doesn't get hard. Well, it does get hard, but not as quickly. So just apply that on top. So just wait for these to dry. Oh, let it dry too much. Go again. One more layer. Yeah, if you let it dry for too long, like, it's just not gonna stick. So I kind of messed up. So now I need to apply a whole other layer of the got2b spray just to wet it up a bit. Don't let it dry too much, because then you can't stick it down, you know. So bring that forward and press it down. This one here as well. And make sure there's no ridges in the lace, otherwise you're screwed. Press it down. Press it down. Use a comb, the back of a comb, rather than your fingers, because it will like get dirt, and you'll be able to see the dirt in the got2b. Yeah, and then bring this one here forward. And then press it in. I'm here telling people to use their fingers and to use the back of a comb, and I'm using my fingers. Can you imagine? And then bring this one forward. And then press it down. Press that in. So now that's done, you can afford to use your fingers just to like massage it in. And then if there's any bits that are not well stuck, hold on, let's just massage it in. Massage, massage, press it in. Done that, and I can still lift here, so I haven't put enough got2b in the right place. Really and truly, I should have used a comb or something to get the got2b out. So you just apply a little bit there, let it dry, and in the meantime I'm going to work on the ear tab area. So the same rules apply for the top. It's literally just the same thing. I just spread it out when I do it, so I'm not like racing against time to glue this in time and glue that in time and glue that in time. And just let it dry. And the same applies for the other side. Wait for them to dry. So yeah, just press that in with the back of my comb as it's dried a bit. And voila. And then with this side, hopefully it's dried by now. So just press that in. Massage it in. Don't worry if these like tufts of hair look very wild and thick. I'm not gonna like leave all of them there. It's just for a visual aid while I stick it down, then I'll mold everything into the right position. So that's that. Everything is stuck down. So just to further secure the wig and just ensure the melt is good, I'm gonna go over with got to be once. Don't press it down or anything. Then with an elastic band, and make it tight so that you're pressing the lace into place. Lace into place. Hey, this is damn tight. Ugh. In the meantime, just style your hair accordingly. I've already straightened out my hair. This is how it's gonna look today. It's cute. Like the color. It's a pretty nice bit of work I did. Yeah, hair's pretty light, and I'm going to get dressed and then I'll be back. Cool, so getting a bit of a headache. So taking this off, I would say I kept it on for about 15 minutes. That felt amazing. As I did that last coat of Got To Be, some of the bits are a bit crispy. So I'm just gonna go through my little comb. Oh, by the way, the tool I use for my baby hairs to brush them into place and to brush at the front of my hair is this like double-ended edge brush. Really useful. Very, very useful. Just do that. By spraying the Got To Be and then tying it down, it set the hair with a bit of volume in the front, so it's not like it's just flat. It's a bit raised, and that's how I like my hair to lay. I like baby hairs, right? But I hate really exaggerated ones. So just clip that back so you can focus on the baby hairs. I've left hair out here, hair out on the sides. I don't know, what do I use my Got To Be, but I try not to use too much because it will make the hairs really stiff. Just brush them out so they're fuzzy. A bit of Got To Be, and the brush side, actually no, and the comb, and make sure that's evenly distributed throughout the hair. Then I use the brush to mold it into place. So I want this one to swoop across like that. See, it's a very light swoop. And just brush or use the comb side to tidy things up, and then the brush just to swoop the hairs. Now for the side here, and then let it dry. It's really important that the hairs you set apart to be baby hairs are very thin and wispy for you to get a natural look. Otherwise it'll look like you have adult hairs. Ain't no baby hairs there, just adult hair. So look at that. I know it's close to my eyebrows, but my hairline there is literally a finger, so that's how I have to wear my wigs. Just brush that into place. brush it all into place. She met mama loving Moulin Rouge. Strutting and stuff on the streets. She said, hello. Hey Joe. That's that. And then this side is pretty much laid. Don't care for this side because my hair covers it. Like, let me tell you something about my wigs. The side that is out is the side I care for the best. I'm not a professional, so it's, like, there's no, I would say there's no, well for me particularly, I would say there's no like method. Just work on the edges, the baby hairs, whatever, until it looks nice, until you have the desired look you're going for. I like mine not looking too dramatic and whatnot. But that is me done. My got to be application. I would say my problem area with my wigs is like the ear tab area, because I don't care for it. Like, I barely have my hair behind my ears. My hair is always like that, so it's not perfect, but it works. This side, I prefer this side. That sweep is a lot nicer and a lot lighter. This side is meh. It's cute still, nonetheless. And let me just brush down my hair, and spray bit got to be so that the flyaways can lay. And then and voila, that is, oh no, I like having this going back a bit, so not voila, there, and then brush it back. Yeah, so this is how I like height. Like, I'm very big on height with my hair. I don't like it laying all flat or whatever. Oh, I look so fly in the mirror. Whoa, ha. That is how I style my wigs. Look at it. That is me done. Thank you for tuning into this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, comment and like any information regarding this hair. I will insert it below in the description bar. And yeah. Bye. Okay, and I completely forgot to mention that sometimes we've got to be, you can have like, it can look a bit shiny in your head, or it can look a bit shiny on your head. So I have a brush, makeup brush with a bit of makeup on it, preferably a powder, and I just go over it to eliminate some of that shine. I don't stand makeup in your hair, but in this case I think it is beneficial. So yeah, shine gone. This I need to cut out, but all done. Now I need to just fix my hair again.